activate. Then what you do is you have to again modify your template. This time you're going to want to do it between the post and the comment. So you're going to want to do this in the index page and probably in the single post page. You're going to want to do it. Actually, we'll put it in the single post page. Now what you're looking for, and you've got to be able to read code a little bit, but it's not tough to do. What you're looking for is something that says if have posts or something like that. Here. So you'll see something PHP if have posts while have posts, and this is a loop of code that's going through and posting all of the posts in here. Underneath this you'll usually find where they put the comments somewhere. Okay, so here's where the comments go. So what you want to do is you want to put the code right here. And the code we're going to put there is on that site we were just looking at. And you just copy this, just highlight this line, copy it, and then paste it right there. Let's update the file and see what happens. We view the site. And we go to a single post. And here it is, here, right underneath the post before the comments, you'll see that we have the social bookmarking font on here. It's hard to see, but all this, there's a whole bunch of social bookmarking links that you can use on here to bookmark, for people to bookmark on other social networking sites. So you just have to know a little bit of code to do that, or to be able to read a little bit, and you don't really have to read it other than knowing where the comments go and where the actual blog post is going, so it's not that difficult to do. You'd probably also want to put it in your front page here, and to do that you just put the same bit of code. Go back to presentation, theme editor, and then into the main index template, and then you'd look for the same bit of stuff here. So here's the comments. We'll paste it right there. Update. And if we go and view the site now, and you'll see right underneath the post, there's where it is. So that's the easy way to do it. That's how you can use a plugin on WordPress. Now, of course, if you're using something besides WordPress, this isn't going to work. Now, here's one you might like a little better. It actually adds some movable graphics at the bottom of each post, like you see here. So all you do, again, download the plugin, click on the download page. There's a link to this in the resources document. And then download the social bookmark. So click on the download button, saving it to your desktop or wherever you want it. And then you'll need to unzip that. You just have an unzip tool and then just extract it. And then you just upload it to your plugins directory like we did the last time. And once you've done that, you log into your admin area again. Go to plugins. And let's deactivate the old one. And then we'll activate the new one here. I'll preview our site. And there's our social bookmarking icons for a whole bunch of different sites. So if you like that one better, that's an easier plugin. Now, of course, I just showed you WordPress here, but other blogging platforms may also have different plugins that you can put on them depending on what they are, like movable type, for instance. Otherwise, you're probably just going to have to do them manually in the template. So just remember, you need to make yourself a decent profile on each of the social bookmarking sites so people can see that you look like you know what you're talking about on your niches. And then you add the code to your sites and people will click on them and it will start rising in the ranks and you'll start getting traffic. That concludes the video series on social bookmarking.